Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9 channel. Here I am going to do this reading, the concept of intelligence, and this is reading passage 1, and this has questions 1 to 13. We have to spend 20 minutes. It's all upon your practice and your intelligence, how you can finish this within 15 minutes or 18 minutes or 20 minutes. So, but you should not spend more than 20 minutes on each reading. Okay, the concept of intelligence, the whole reading is about this word intelligence. Okay, now when we got this kind of reading, always look at the type of reading. Means type of reading here means now they have given small paragraph with title on them like A, B, C, D, and some passages are without titling, without any the words, the title is given on the paragraphs. Okay, so first thing is we have done read the title. I have already read the title for 2 times, and I have looked at the paragraph. Now without wasting any time, always just go to find out the type of questions we have here. Now first type of question for this reading is like which section contains the following information. Okay, this has 3 questions, and next is yes no not given, and the third type of question is like match each statement with the correct theory. Means list of persons, list of theories. We have to match these theories, these persons, these scientists with their options, with their statements. Okay, let's start with first type of question. I always suggest you to just start your reading with the first type of question, because they have designed their reading according to the question. Let's do it. Now read the instructions carefully, it is very important. Reading passage 1 has 10 sections. Okay, which section contains the following information? This is the type of question they are discussing. Or in answer sheet we are going to write only alphabets from A to J. Which paragraph contains the following information? Means we have to write the paragraph's name. Okay, let's read it quickly. So there are two types. We can just there are two methods we can just we can solve this kind of questions. First, you can read the options here and then go to the paragraphs. Second one is you can first you read the paragraphs one by one and just find out the option from here. Okay, so both ways are correct. If you are comfortable in like any of the things, you can do it. So first I am going to read it from here, and in next video I am going to show how to just find out answers from first by reading paragraphs only. So here, information about how known scientists' assumptions about intelligence influence their behavior towards other. Okay, now what they are asking, they are looking for information about how known scientists. So this known scientist word is really important to find. Of course I'm not saying that the same word you are going to get in the reading paragraph, but maybe it may be possible that we can get the same word. But for finding the location, what is the important word, what are the keywords that we can go. So information about how known scientists, I'm sure this word is there, must be there. About intelligence influence their behavior. Yes, behavior, we are going to look for behavior towards other. So assumptions also, if you find it, assumptions also you can try to find out. First, known scientists and behavior and intelligence. Of course, throughout the passage we will be getting this word intelligence. So I'm not going to find answer from this word. So known scientist and behavior, so I'm going to read it one by one. The passage number 1 is what it is saying here. Now here is one tip, like one suggestion I can give you. Your pencil should be moved like in 100 kilometer per hour speed, like I can say. So looked in one way, everyone knows what intelligence is. Okay, looked at in another way, no one does. In other words, people all have unconscious notions known as this. Okay, so here they are almost like in first paragraph, almost, as you know, there is always discussion about introduction about the topic or definition about the topic. So just a minute, so I forgot to read the other two three other options also. Always just go just read all the options at one go. A reference to lack of clarity, a reference to lack of clarity of the definition of intelligence. Okay, so a reference to lack of clarity over definition. Okay, yes, I was explaining it to you. Yes, definition in first paragraph of intelligence. Okay, third one is the point that a researchers, okay, researchers implicit and explicit theories may be very different points, and of course we will be looking for these two things in paragraph, and then we will try to match the statement over here. So let's read it one by one, the paragraphs. Yes, I was just explaining it to you. In first paragraph, it is always an introduction sentences or definition. So here they are saying what intelligence is. Everyone knows is looked at in another way. No one does. In other words, people all have unconscious notions known as implicit theories of intelligence, but no one knows for certain what it actually is. Okay. So here a reference to lack of clarity over the definition of intelligence. Yes, this is the exact, like you can just look at again. What intelligence is? Everyone know what intelligence is, looked at in another way. No one does. In other words, people all have unconscious notions known as these theories of intelligence, but no one knows for certain what it actually is. What the definition of intelligence is, no one knows. So this chapter addresses how people conceptualize intelligence, whatever it may be actually. So our this second one is properly matching with a statement, a paragraph. And one more thing I want to say, if you are really keen to get good bands in your IELTS writing also, just read this passage, concept of intelligence, how they have just started about the topic like intelligence, how they have, see, our thesis statement is like they have here chapter is given, but in writing task we can just write this essay addresses how people. So it's a beautiful example of writing task 1. See, in the BP1 first he has explained all the things. See it, how he has concluding, the writer is concluding this paragraph in some second, third. So please read it thoroughly, how to write an IELTS writing task 2 with the help of this reading. So I am just saying it is a beautiful, it's a good example of 9 band structure. I'm just telling you. Okay, let's come to the reading part 1. Reading this second paragraph, I'm going to read it. First, this intelligence drive the way in which people perceive and evaluate their intelligence and that of others. To understand the judgments people make their own and other abilities. Okay, implicit theory of intelligence drive the way in which people perceive. So for third, we have to look for both the things, implicit and explicit. And first, information about how non-scientist assumptions about intelligent behavior. Okay, so theories of intelligence people would perceive, evaluate their intelligence and that of others. Others also here. Okay, and theory of intelligence drive the way in which people perceive and evaluate their own intelligence and that of others. Word is also there, intelligence is also there, influence their behavior towards. See, for if you know, if you can understand the meaning properly, then from here to here they are conveying the same meaning in number 1. But to better understand the judgments people make about their own and their abilities, it is useful to learn about people's theory. For example, so here if you read it thoroughly enough, then you will get it that they are just saying the same thing. In some, knowledge about is important because this knowledge is often so used by people to make judgments in the To make judgments means to evaluate in the course of their everyday's life, and half of the statement is here and half of the statement is here. So perceive here means people, here means known scientists, and perceive here means assumptions. Okay, and here assumptions about intelligence influence their behavior towards others. First, when I was doing this reading, so I couldn't find it within time, but then after this after completing this reading, I found it that this was the thing they were explaining it in this way. People means non-scientists, and perceive means assumptions, and evaluate like in everything in this paragraph they are explaining about intelligence influence their behavior towards other. Okay, for this B is there. So I was just telling you, so I mean to say that you have to find out the paraphrasing similar words to these also. So don't always rely that these same words you are not going to get in paragraph. Sometimes you may get, sometimes you may not be getting. Third number is the point that a researcher's implicit and explicit theory may be very different. Okay, now we have done with A and B. Now C1, let's read it. Second, the implicit theories of scientific investigations. Investigators ultimately, okay, explicit theory is also there, implicit theory is also there. Different, we have to find out difference. Thus, it is useful to find theories are implicit, provide a framework that is useful in, okay, especially not well understood phenomenon. These implicit theories can suggest what aspects of phenomenon have been more or less attended in a previous investigations. Okay, let's read the third D1. Third, implicit theories can be useful when investigators suspect that existing are wrong or misleading. Means they are not same, they are different. If an investigation of implicit theories reveals about correspondence between implicit and theories, the implicit theories may be wrong. Possibilities, okay, theories are wrong. So everywhere they are saying wrong, wrong, wrong means may be very different, not the same. So here answer I will be putting it D. Okay, so in this way we have completed 3. So here I am just going to explain, I am just explaining it how to find answers. Question number 4 to 6, how we can find it for yes, no, not given. These are the instructions. Let's read it. 4 number. Slow language development in children is likely to prove disappointing to their parents. Okay, for this slow language I will be finding it. So okay, so till D we have done it, but here language development children, so let's read it here also if you want to read it. E paragraph development mentioned okay, differ expectations for children. Okay, it means we have to read it from here, because I have seen language development they were talking in B paragraph. So yes, language, children's language development, yes, but I have to find out the word. Slow language development in children is likely to prove disappointing to their parents. Okay, first we will be finding these words, and then I will try to match this main verb, helping and main verb is likely to prove disappointing to their parents. Let's read it. Okay, it is useful to learn people's language. Yes, theory of their children's language development will determine at what ages there will be willing to make various corrections in their children's speech. Moreover, okay, intelligence will determine what ages cognitive task, job interviews will make decision. Intelligence people will decide. Okay, but here in the whole, like from where they have discussed about language development, so there is no discussion about slow language development, and of course there is no development, there is not talking about likely to prove disappointing to their parents. No, they have not given anything about this. So here not given. Okay, so say fifth number, people's expectation. Yes, expectation words I was, when I was reading E, it came in front of me, of what children should gain from education are universal. First I am going to find these words, expectations. should gain from education are universal. Okay. So I when I was reading E, then I, yes, expectation word is here, expectation is also here. Let's read it. Hmm. People have expectation for intellectual performance that differ for children of different ages. Okay, however, these expectation differ is in part a function of culture. Expectation for children who participate in Western style schooling are more almost certain to a different from those for children who do not participate in schooling. So here are universal should gain from education. People's what children should gain from education are universal. So this is not given. This is I have not found any where like expectation. In, no, next paragraph is something different. People have expectation performance that differ for children of different ages. See, universal here means same, universal throughout the world. He is talking about throughout the world, same things. So but here it is given differ for children of different ages. So what I am going to write it here. So yes, it is no, because this part is missing. This is contradictory statement over given. Okay, so scholars, now there is guesswork. If you want to just put after finding not given and no, of course we have left with yes, we can just write it here yes. But if you have time, then please find out within 1 second, within 30 seconds. Scholars may discuss theories without fully understanding each other. Scholars here means like scientists, experts and all. So now they are in this paragraph, what they are talking. I have suggested 3 major theories of how intelligence relates to society as a whole. This might be Hamilton. Okay, these are the scholar person they are talking about, because third type of question we have relating to these persons, these theories. These views are not based strictly but rather loosely on the philosophies of Alexander. The three great statements in the are not based strictly but rather loosely on the philosophies of these three persons, three great statements. Yes, so here you can say yes. So I told you, just you can just make a guess or you can find it. So this is yes, may discuss theories without fully understanding each other means each other's thing, are not based strictly but rather loosely on the philosophies of Alexander. Okay, so this indirectly he is saying that they are doing it on their own way. So next type of question here we have, see, now this is the look at the following statements and the list of theories. Okay, so we have to match from this and this. So yes, one important word is here NB. You may use any letter more than once. Yes. So first of all we have list of theories: Hamiltonian, Jeffersonian and Jacksonian. Okay, let's read it. Now here also you can do it in two ways. Like first you can go to this person's name and this theory and just find out what they are trying to say. Okay, so I will be doing it like this only. Now first I will be reading it in G paragraph. This Hamiltonian view means this theory, what it is saying, which is similar to uh, to the Platonic view. So no need to understand the word meaning, otherwise I would be telling you at the end of this video about the difficult words and its meaning from this reading passage. So the Hamiltonian view, which is similar to, is that people are born with different levels of intelligence and that those who are less intelligent need the good offices of more intelligent to keep them in line. Whether they are called government officials or in Plato's term, philosopher seem to have shared this belief when they wrote emergency of eventually, because they are talking about this. So no need to consider this. Take responsibility, masses of who cannot take. Okay, left to themselves, the unintelligent would create as they have created a kind of choice. So here till here we can just read it again if you want, and then we have read this, then go to the options. I will be reading it. Okay, It is desirable for the same possibilities to be open to everyone. No, he is not talking about that thing. No section of society should have preferential treatment at the expense of another. Okay, people should gain only benefits on the basis of what they actually achieve. Okay, people in variation. Yes, this was there. Variation in intelligence begins at birth. Yes, it was given for A. Like see, you can see what it was given like that. You can see here. People are born with different levels of intelligence, and those who are less intelligent need the good offices of the more intelligent to keep them in line. Okay, this what they are saying. This one is yes, born at begins at birth. People are born with different levels of intelligence. Yes, for this I will be putting A also. And the next is the more intelligent people should be in positions of power. The more intelligent people's positions in the power. And those who are less intelligent need the good offices of more intelligent to keep them in line. Whatever they are called, government officials or yes, power, government officials, yes, the more intelligent people should be in positions of power means A. It will come A. So let's move on to the next person, or let's read it. Okay, so two are enough, I think, or maybe if after this we will be looking for this Jeffersonian. So for these two I have put 10th and 11th for A. Okay, and for Jeffersonian what he is saying, so in H paragraph, the Jeffersonian view is that people should have equal opportunities, but they do not necessarily avail themselves equally of these opportunities and not necessarily equally rewarded for their accomplishment. People are rewarded for what they accomplish if given equal opportunities. Okay, a word was there. Yes, people should get it. People should get it. Yes, again benefits on the basis of what they actually achieve. Yes, people. Yes, here it was people are rewarded for what they accomplish if given equal opportunities. Yes, low achievers are not rewarded to the same extent as high achievers. Okay, so it means this will come under for B. This for this we have read the paragraph should gain only benefits. Okay, yes, this is perfect. So what else, like let's start it from here. It is desirable for the same possibility to be open to everyone. Okay, was it people should have equal opportunities, but they do not have necessarily avail equal of necessarily. It is desirable for the same possibilities to be open to everyone. Okay, uh, same possibilities. Yes, yes, they do not reveal. No, and okay. Yes, yes. For this also, I will be putting B. And is there anything? So I have left here 1, 2, 3. Three more paragraphs. Three more options are there. Okay, let's see. For C, Jacksonian, what he is saying. And just a minute. If there is any other thing from B left, low achievers, Hamilton tradition. Okay, in Jefferson, the goal of education is not to favor or stir an elite, as in the Hamilton tradition, but rather to allow children to make full use. My views are similar to this. Okay, so J, the Jacksonian view is that all people are equal, not only as human beings, but in terms of their competency. That one person would serve as well as another in government or a jury in position of responsibility. People are essentially okay, can be learned in this, they do not need wrong. People are equal not only as human beings but in terms of their competency. That one person would serve uh, as well as another government. So what we have left, no section of society should have preferential treatment at the expense of another. Yes, 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 yes. are equal not only as human beings but in terms of their competency, that one person should serve as well as another in government or jury or almost any position of responsibilities. Yes, for C. For this I will be putting here C. Okay. So next we have left, okay, 12th. Everyone can develop the same abilities. Yes, it is given. In this view, people are essentially are equal human beings, but that person, okay, all of which can be learned. Yes, except for specialized skills, all of which can be learned. In this view, we do not need or want any institution that might lead to favoring one group or another. Human beings, that one person should serve in another government or almost any position of responsibility. In this view, democracy, people are essentially substitutable except for specialized skills. For this, yes, can develop the same. Now we have left with one. People of low intelligence are likely to lead uncontrolled lives. Low intelligence people. Low intelligence people, they were talking in this paragraph. I think they were talking in low intelligence. I have read out, just a minute. Yes, less intelligent need the good offices. Low intelligent people are likely to lead. Yes, for this A. Yes, here it means for A, and they have we 1 2 3 3 times A has come, and B 2 times, and C 2 times. Okay, now this we have done. Yes, anything left from? Yes, now in this way we have completed this this paragraph. Now let's move on to the difficult words from the paragraph. Underlying means the following or the important reasons for something. So I will show you where is underlying. So here is the word underlying. So what does it mean? So underlying here means, you can just see, we can read it here. Intelligence to society, perhaps relationship of intelligence to society perhaps need to be considered more carefully than they have been, because they often serve as underlying presuppositions for explicit theories and even experimental. So here we can presuppositions means pre-assumed. So I will tell you the meaning of both the things. The following, like underlying the important factors which are responsible for, and presupposition here means pre-assumed conditions. Okay, so my next word is reveals. As you know, it means show. Perceive here means assumption. Okay, assumption, your assumptions about anything. Platonic view, friendship and affectionate. Okay, so friendly manner and affectionate manner, you can say. Intersubstitutable, it means interchangeable or capable of being substituted. So this is given in this paragraph, you can see here in I paragraph. In this view of democracy, people are essentially intersubstitutable except for specialized skills. Means in this view of democracy, people can substitute, can interchange the like skills or duties, except for specialized skills. Okay, all of which can be learned. So these are the important words. You can just learn it from here. Okay, thank you so much.